Everyone. Today we will see how we can create a new assistant in Botphonic. Once we are logged in, we will land on this page, which is a very first page of the Botphonic, which shows the list of created assistants. Let's say we want to create a new assistant. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is click on this create assistant button. Here you will see two options, start from scratch, and we can also use the predefined built-in templates. Let's use the templates for this video. Here we can go through different industries. Let's create an example of healthcare and create an inbound assistant for a receptionist. Once we click on receptionist assistant, this will show you the description and the details about this template. This template has is from the healthcare industry, which supports the English language. This handles the inbound call and it is having a male voice. So this is the basic description about the assistant. Let's create this assistant. Once we have created an assistant, we can see our receptionist assistant listed in the list here. Let's go inside the receptionist, and here we can see different kind of settings for our assistant. This is the general setting where we can configure the name of the assistant. Let's call it the inbound reception handler. You can name it anything as you want. You can upload the image for this assistant. You can define and you can configure various kind of things over here. In voice setting, it shows which kind of voice your assistant will have. Let's hear it.
Thank you for calling ClearPath Solutions. I'm Alex, your virtual assistant.
From the list of multiple available assistant voice, we can select any of the voice that we want.
Thank you for calling ClearPath Solutions. I'm Alex, your virtual assistant.
Let's select this Amalthea voice. Here we can configure different kind of voice settings. And these are the call configurations. After configuring the basic things, like for example, handling inbound reception inquiries. Okay. Now let's save these configurations. Moving ahead, the second part of our assistant configuration is the part of prompt handling. Here we can pass our greeting message, which will speak to the users as soon as user receives the call. And this is the prompt. Basically, this is the functionality that we want our assistant to work on. And this is the goodbye message. Let's go through some prompt stuffs. Okay, so this is our greeting message, and this is the prompt. So it has who you are. This will tell our assistant that this is their identity. You are a Jessica, the voice assistant for 321 Health, a leading medical service provider. The goal of this assistant is to guide the caller through the process of booking an appointment with the chosen physician at our hospital. There are different call actions like gathering the name, confirming the user's name, gathering a date of birth, and all of these things are listed over here in a prompt. The more precise your prompt will be, the more accurate your assistant will work. So this is the example, and you can access it by the library of available templates in Botphonic. So after configuring our prompt, we can go through the action as well. Here we can call our custom APIs. We can go to the add actions setup over here in this menu, and we can create our custom actions as well. Let's say if you want to create an API call which needs to be called during the call, that can be handled by this specific screen. But in this case, in our example, we are not going to configure any actions in this example. Another part is the deployment part. This will show you which mobile number should be linked with this specific assistant. You can click on change button. Since I have already purchased a number, this is being listed in this specific table. If you haven't purchased, you can click on this button and you can select a number of your choice, make a payment, and then your number will be listed over here. So for now I'm selecting my available number. So yeah, it has been assigned, and let's see how it will work. So let me call to my assistant number. So I have made a call on this number.
This tool data not found for the requested function.
Hello.
Hey there, to assist you better, could you please provide me with your first and last name spelled out so I can locate your previous call information?
Yeah, my name is Tosif Sayed. The spelling is TOSIFSAIYAD.
Perfect. Just to make sure, your name is Tosif Syed, spelled T-O-S-I-F. Last name S-I-I-I-D, right?
Yes, correct.
Great. Thank you for confirming, Tosif Syed. Now, could you please provide me with your date of birth?
My date of birth is 21st February 1993.
Thank you. Tosif, just to confirm, your date of birth is the 21st of February, 1993, correct?
Correct. You get it right. So that's how our call assistant will work when you call on this number. So that's pretty much about this video.